Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 2 will present the result of our group work related to review journal about tuberculosis. Title: Journal 1, Multi-Drug Resistant Tuberculosis in Semarang City. Journal 2, Risk for Factor Affecting Multi-Drug Resistant Tuberculosis in Surakarta and Ngawi, Indonesia. Journal name: Health Perceptive Journal. Journal 2, Journal of Epidemiology and Public Health. Volume and page 6 to 148 until 158. Journal 2, 1 to 8 until 9. Year: Journal 1, 2021. Journal 2, 2016. Writer: Journal 1, Tika Dwi Cahyani, Sri Ratna Rahayu, Vina Jazilatun, Aunia Vina Nur Ayu Mresiti. Journal 2, Novi Indah Aderita, Bisma Murti, Nunuk Suryani. Review Journal. Reviewer: Journal 1, Yvonne Dias Ivana Uun. Date: Reviewer 11 December 21. Background: MRD TB is a major problem in the world. According to the World Health Organization, the world number of MDR-TB cases in the world in 2016 amounted to 490,000 cases. 62% were XDR-TB cases. In 2007, were 558,000 cases. 8.5% of MDR-TB cases are XDR-TB cases. WHO 2018, the number of new cases of MDR-TB increased from the previous year. The number of deaths from MDR-TB worldwide in 2007 was 230,000. The success of MDR-TB treatment in 2007 is considered low. This is recorded globally. The success rate of MDR-TB treatment in 2007 is only 54%, while the success target is 85%. The proportion of people who did case finality rate due to TB in 2007 was 16%, decreasing when compared to the proportion in 2018. There were 400 cases of TB-RR, of which 80% were TB-MDR cases in the world. Purpose: Journal 1. The purpose of this study was to describe the incidence of MDR-TB in Semarang City. Method: the type of research used in quantitative. This research uses a simple descriptive analysis.
And then second journal. Reviewer: Yvonne Dias Ivana and Uun. Date: Reviewer 11 December 2021. For the background, the success rate of tuberculosis treatment in Indonesia decreased by 81.3% in 2014, which below the 85% target. The current increasing problem in the developing world is multi-drug resistance of tuberculosis, MDR-TB. Many factors may contribute to MDR-TB. At the individual level, these factors may include adherence to medication per patient, of vulnerability, seriousness, benefit, barrier, and nutrition status. At the institution level, these factors may include the availability of drug and implementation of DOTS program. This study aimed to analyze factors that affect MDR-TB in Surakarta and Ngawi, Indonesia. Purpose: this study aims to analyze the factors influencing MDR-TB in Surakarta and Ngawi, Indonesia. Method: type of analysis, observation, research with case control design. And then the result of journal 1 are the result of the analysis shown that most of the respondents only attend elementary education level SD, ME equivalent, and SMP, MTS equivalent of 42,018 low level of education are at risk for the incidence of MDR-TB 2018. Different results were found in the study of Dungu et al. 2013, where the results show that the level of education possessed by most sufferers is secondary education level.
The result of the characteristic of the subject show that the health workers giving treatment for tuberculosis were more female workers in the case and control groups, namely 17.7% and 94.5% respectively. Most of the healthy age workers were over 35 years old in both case and control groups. 69.27% and 77.3% respectively. The most recent education posted by case group is S1 plus profession is 49.1%, and the control group has almost the same proportion of subjects as Diploma 3 and S1 plus profession. 54.5% and 35.4% respectively. Most case and control have worked in healthcare institutions for 5 years. 77.3% and 19.9% respectively, with previous tuberculosis. 94. The case group suffered from tuberculosis for 1 year, namely 71.7%, and most of the control group had suffered from tuberculosis less than 1 year, namely 73.3%. The case group having a history of previous tuberculosis treatment was more dominant, namely 73%, while the control group patient mostly received tuberculosis treatment was 83.3%. Most case and control did not suffer from any disease other than tuberculosis. 76.7% and 17% respectively. Most of the case and control groups live in a clean environment of 95% and 18%.
Object of Research, Journal 1, Semarang City Health Office and Puskesmas Semarang City. Journal 2, Dr. Muwardi Surakarta.
Next variable from first journal, side effect, drug history of preferred treatment, history of contact with MDR-TB, tuberculosis patient, smoking status, history of drug adherence, comorbidity patient, motivation, nutritional status of patient, history of alternative medicine, healthy cost, healthy facility, attitude of healthy work, distance from home, healthy service, family support, the active role of swallowing supervision, and variable from the second journal, perception of susceptibility, seriousness, benefit, barriers, availability of anti-tuberculosis drug. Finally, the conclusion from the two journals above are: partnership between patient and healthcare personnel is recommended to increase the success of TB treatment.